Did you know that your subconscious mind is responsible for about 95% of your decisions, emotions, and behaviors? It's like a powerful computer that stores and processes all the information you've received from the moment you were born until the present. It's also the source of your creativity, intuition, and imagination. But how can you access and understand this hidden treasure within you? How can you interpret the signals it sends you through your dreams, feelings, and body language? And how can you reprogram your subconscious mind to achieve your goals and desires? Stay tuned until the end of the video to discover the answers to these intriguing questions. We'll explore secrets and techniques to harness the power of your subconscious mind in your favor, in all areas of your life. Let's start with the first question: what is the subconscious mind? The subconscious mind is the part of your mind that operates below the level of your consciousness. It's like an iceberg, where only a small part is visible, and the majority is submerged. The visible part is your conscious mind, which is rational, logical, and analytical. The submerged part is your subconscious mind, which is emotional, intuitive, and creative. The subconscious mind is influenced by your beliefs, values, memories, experiences, habits, traumas, and desires. It's responsible for generating your automatic thoughts, those you don't need to consciously think about. For example, when you drive a car, you don't need to consciously think about every move you make because your subconscious mind already knows how to do it. It's also responsible for generating your emotions, the reactions you have to the situations you encounter. For instance, when you see someone you like, you feel joy because your subconscious mind associates that person with something positive. The subconscious mind communicates with you in various ways, such as through your dreams, feelings, and body language. Your dreams are the images and stories your subconscious mind creates while you sleep to process the information you've received during the day. They can express your fears, desires, conflicts, or messages your subconscious mind wants to convey. For example, if you dream of flying, it might be a sign that you're feeling free, confident, or happy. Your feelings are the sensations you experience in your body and mind, indicating your emotional state. They can guide your decisions, actions, and behaviors according to what your subconscious mind deems good or bad for you. For instance, feeling fear may signal that you're facing a potentially harmful situation. Your body language is how you use your body to express yourself, including gestures, postures, facial expressions, and eye movements. It can reveal your thoughts, emotions, and intentions, often unconsciously. For example, crossing your arms may indicate that you're feeling closed, defensive, or uninterested. But how can you decipher these signals and messages your subconscious mind sends you? How can you understand what it's trying to tell you and use this knowledge to improve your life? That's what we'll explore in the next part of this video, where we'll teach you how to reprogram your subconscious mind using simple and powerful techniques that will transform your reality. But before we continue, we want to extend a special invitation. If you're enjoying this video and want to learn more about the power of your subconscious mind, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to receive our notifications. This way, you won't miss any of our videos designed to help you unlock your unlimited potential. And if you're already subscribed, give us a thumbs up and share this video with your friends so they can benefit from this knowledge too. Now, let's get back to our topic: how to reprogram your subconscious mind. Reprogramming the subconscious mind is the process of replacing limiting beliefs, habits, and patterns stored in your subconscious mind with positive, constructive ones aligned with your goals and desires. This is crucial because your subconscious mind is responsible for creating your reality based on what you believe, think, and feel. If you hold negative beliefs like "I'm not capable," "I don't deserve," or "I'm unlucky," your subconscious mind will attract situations confirming these beliefs, hindering you from achieving what you want. On the other hand, if you have positive beliefs like "I am capable," "I deserve," or "I am lucky," your subconscious mind will attract situations confirming these beliefs, helping you achieve your goals. But how can you reprogram your subconscious mind? There are several techniques you can use, but we'll show you the 3 most effective ones: affirmation, visualization, and meditation. Affirmation is the technique of repeating positive statements expressing what you want to be, have, or do as if it's already a reality. For example, if you want more money, you can repeat, "I am rich, I have abundance," or "I attract prosperity." Repetition of these statements will make your subconscious mind accept them as true and start creating the conditions for them to manifest in your life. Visualization is the technique of mentally imagining, with as much detail as possible, colors, sounds, and sensations, what you want to be, have, or do as if it's already a reality. For example, if you want to travel to Europe, you can imagine being there, seeing the monuments, hearing the languages, feeling the climate, and smelling the scents. Visualization will help your subconscious mind create a mental image of what you want and start attracting the opportunities and resources to make it real. Meditation is the technique of calming your conscious mind and connecting with your subconscious mind through breathing, concentration, and mindfulness. For example, if you want more peace, you can meditate by breathing deeply, focusing on your body, and observing your thoughts and emotions without judging or reacting to them. Meditation will put you in a state of relaxation where your subconscious mind becomes more receptive, allowing you to access your wisdom, intuition, and creativity. These are the 3 most powerful techniques to reprogram your subconscious mind and create your desired reality. For them to work, you need to practice them regularly, consistently, and with faith. You must believe that what you want is possible and that your subconscious mind will help you achieve it. You also need to act in accordance with what you want and seize the opportunities that come your way. With time, you'll find that your subconscious mind becomes your greatest ally, and you'll be able to achieve anything you desire. We hope you enjoyed this video and that it inspired you to explore more about the power of your subconscious mind. If you want to learn more on this topic, we recommend reading The Power of Your Subconscious Mind by Joseph Murphy, a reference in the field containing valuable information and practical exercises for you to apply in your life. If you want to continue receiving our videos, designed to help you unlock your unlimited potential, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to receive our notifications. This way, you won't miss any of our videos. And if you're already subscribed, give us a thumbs up and share this video with your friends so they can benefit from this knowledge too. Thank you for watching, and until the next video.